How to change export format in Openshot. If your video is not exporting the way you want, the format could be this too, and the Openshot makes it easy to switch it up. First, open your project in Openshot. When you are ready to export, click the export button in the toolbar. This brings up the export dialog window. Now here you can view all the available export formats like MP4, AVI, MOV or WAVM. Pick the format that suits your needs. For example, MP4 is great for wave uploads, while MOV might be better for high quality editing workflows. You can also change the video codec or resolution from the same window if needed. If you are targeting YouTube or another specific platform, use the preset on the target section for best compatibility. Is there a format you always use or are you experimenting? Let me know in the comments below. Once you are set, click the export video button and your project will render in the selected format. Don't forget to double check the save location so you know where the file ends up. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.